one of the coolest parts about the show is checking out the in-field demos. And earlier I had a chance to go over to the Agri-Spray drone tent where they were flying drones and showing some demos. Here's exactly how you can use drones to seed cover crops. And here's CEO Taylor Moreland to tell you a little bit more about it.
Yeah, so this over here, this is the cover crop, well, the granular material applicator. So on the bottom there, it's got a spinner disc about this big in diameter. You can vary the speed of that, obviously, and vary the height the drone operates at. And then the whole top opens up, so you can fill it with a seed tender, dump buckets or bags in there. It'll hold about 100 to 120 pounds in there. So overseeding cover crop, that's an application that not a lot of guys are doing right now because timing is key on that. You gotta, if you're putting out radishes or turnips or clover or whatever you're doing, small seeded cover crops, you gotta do it early. You gotta do it before your crop comes out of the field. And when to do that is from the air. And then you gotta wait for a week where you've got rain, right, to get it established. And you gotta wait to where you've got, you know, some defoliation starting to occur within the crop, so once it does germinate, then you can get sunlight through the canopy. And if you're trying to coordinate that with a helicopter and airplane, it's very difficult. But if you got a drone on the farm, you can do it yourself. And efficiency is very good with cover crop, where you're putting out, you know, 10, 15 pounds per acre with small seeded cover crops. You can cover, well, about 10 acres per tank load in about a 10-minute time frame. That's going to be revolutionary when we look at cover crop overseeding, and especially some of the carbon credits that guys are looking at now too.